Hello students. So in this video I will discuss question number 3 from exercise 9.1. So the question is, a contractor plans to install 2 slides for the children to play in a park. So there are 2 slides, remember, for the children below age 5, and she prefers to have a slide whose top is at height 1.5. And so first we'll read the question completely. And it's inclined at the angle of 30 degree to the ground. It means what? Ground means the angle of elevation is given. Whereas for elder children, she wants to have the steep slide at a height of 3 meter and inclined at the angle of 60 degree to the ground. So in both the cases, we have the angle of elevation. What should be the length of slide in each case? So we have to find out the length of slide in each case. So we will draw the figure so that it will be easy to understand the question. So let us start reading the question once again. So contractor plans to install 2 slides. So there are 2 slides for the children of age 5 years, below 5 years. So for this we will write the things given for the below 5 years children. So what is given? She prefers to have the slide whose top is at height of 1.5 meter. So let us consider here slides. So we will consider the slide. So as we know, it will be the total slide will be in the shape of right angle triangle. Here there will be height, and here we'll have the horizontal to the ground, and here it is a slide. So we will name this as here AB and here C. So they're given that height is 1.5. So it is at height 1.5 meter. So next it is given that and is inclined. So this slide, this is the slide, AC is a slide here. So it is inclined at 30 degree to the ground. So this slide, it is inclined at 30 degree to the ground. So this angle C is 30 degree. So it is over now. Whereas for elder children, so we'll write here for elder children. She wants to have the steep slide at the height of 3 meter. For here also we will draw figure. So here the height is 3 meter. So this will take as 3 meter. And even we will name this as this right angle triangle PQR. And this is our PR is what? Slide. Remember? So I'll draw for you. This is slide. This is for just understanding. 3 meter. She wants to have the slide at height 3 meter and inclined at the angle of 60 to the ground. So this slide has inclined to the angle of 60 to the ground. So that is 60 degree. So what should be the length of slide in each case? So we'll find out the length. So this AC length. So what is the length of slide? And here is also we have to find out the length of slide. So one by one we will find out. So we will take here, let length of slide, first this slide. So we'll take length of slide for small children. We'll take, or the children for children below 5 years to be AC. And for the length of slide for elder children means what? Above 5 years to be will take here as PR, or you can take L1, L2, whatever you want you can take. So we have to find out the AC, and we have here AB. So as we know, if we know one of the angle of elevation or the depression we should have, so angle we have and any one side in the right angle triangle. So here we have AB. Then if we have one side and angle, we can find out other 2 sides, and we need here AC. So we will take the trigonometric ratio where we have the AB and AC. So according to this angle, this is opposite side, this is opposite, and this is hypotenuse, and this is adjacent, isn't it? So in which ratio we have the opposite and hypotenuse, because we need to find out hypotenuse and opposite we know. So opposite upon hypotenuse, that is sin theta. So we'll take sin theta is here AB upon AC. So theta is here 30 degree, AB is 1.5, AC we need to find out. So sin 30 degree is 1 by 2 equals to 1.5 upon AC. So we need to find out AC. So we'll bring this AC this side. 1 into AC is AC, or you can take like this, and here 1.5. So as we need AC, this 1.1 by 2 will bring this side. So AC equals to 1.5, and 1 into AC you can write as AC, and 2 bring this side. So divide by 2 here. So when it is changing the side, it will be multiplied. So here AC equals to 1.5 into 2. So 15 2s are 30, and after 1 you can put the decimal point after the unit place. So finally you will get AC as 3 meter. So AC is what here? Length of slide for children below 5 years. So as we have taken here AC, that is what? Length of slide below 5 years. So no need to write again sentence. Now we'll find out the length of slide for the children above 5 years or the elder children. Same here, we have to find out the PR, and we know PQ, and according to this figure, this is opposite side according to this angle, and this is hypotenuse, and this is adjacent side. So we have to choose a ratio where we have the opposite and hypotenuse, and in sine we have the opposite and hypotenuse. So we'll take here sin theta, that is opposite is PQ and hypotenuse is PR. Sine 60 degree. So PQ we have 3 meter, PR we don't know, we need to find out the PR here. So what is sine 60 degree? That you have to put. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2 equals to 3 upon PR. So we need to find out the PR. So we'll bring PR this side. 3 by 2 into PR equals to 3. So we have to find out the value of PR. So root 3 and 2 we have to shift to another side. So PR will keep as it is, 3 also as it is. This divide by 2. When we shift to the, now these all things are on LHS. We have to shift on RHS. So division becomes multiplication, and this into root 3 will become divide by root 3. So further we can find out 3 2s are 6 root 3. But as we know, when we have the irrational number in the denominator, this is rational, we have to rationalize it, we have to make it rational number. So root must get cancelled here. So we will multiply numerator and denominator with root 3 and root 3. So here 6 into root 3, and here's this root 3. So 3 we have under the root. So root get cancelled and will remain with only 3. So here 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So this is our PR, that is 2 into root 3 meter. So you can see here the length of small slide is 3 meter and length of big slide is 2 into root 3. If you want, you can find out the value of root 3. So you'll get root 3 as, to understand the exact length, 2 into root 3 if you found by division method, 1 point, because it is not perfect square, so we cannot use a prime factorization method. 1.732 you'll get, and if you multiply this, 2 2s are 4, we can get here the further answer. 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 7 2s are 14, 4 here carry 1, 2 1s are 2, and 1 is 3. So after 3 digit you have to put the decimal point from the ones place. So 1 2 3. So 3.464 meter is the actual length of the second slide. So you can compare here. Obviously the length of second slide will be the greater than the length of first slide. If you understand the explanation, then please subscribe and like.